The universe. The Astral Express. Eons. Did I get dragged into a science fiction movie or something? This Stellaron thing in my body?
Are you trying to touch the stars? I've done stuff like that before. But it wasn't stars for me, though. It was lights. When I first woke up, the whole crew was watching me. It was pretty... Oh, I forgot to tell you. Before all this, I was stuck in a huge block of ice drifting through space. Himeko and Mr. Yang and... who was it again? Who knows? I don't remember anything before that. Who I am, where I'm from, my name. Ever since then, I've been hanging out on this train and following it to whatever destination it decides to... what am I talking about this for? A way to get everyone down, huh? It's fine. I was the one who brought... Cha! Here comes the conductor.
The Express has reached a safe distance from the space station. We'll be jumping in about 10 minutes. Return to your seats, please.
Thanks, Pom-Pom.
Well, it wouldn't be necessary, but Miss March 7th...
That's just called never giving up. Conductor, can I get a...
Hello? Hello, hello? All passengers, please return to your seats. The train is about to make the jump. Hold on, everyone.
I won't fall over. I won't fall over. I won't fall over.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Those millennia. Is this what Eurilo 6 has become?
Uh-huh. So, that snowy planet?
Yes. Looks like this trailblazing expedition won't be easy.
Oh, spatial readout anomaly. Star Rail stability, schedule alteration. 7-day stopover time, extended indefinitely.
Complex locality of this world has been affected somehow. Take an ordinary train as an example. It's like the only sensible thing to do would be to brake hard, right?
If we try to force our way ahead, there could be a
This again? Don't tell me. It's gotta be.
The results of the preliminary analysis are here. The anomaly stems from a Stellaron. Yes, just like the one that's been placed into your body.
Don't worry, it's not the first time our route is... Stellarons are clouded in mystery, even Herta.
The only thing we can say for sure is that their arrival causes massive changes to civilizations and there must be an inextricable connection.
Our current theory is that Stellarons are seeds of disaster, planted by a certain eon throughout the universe. We can't continue to trailblaze without removing the source of the disaster.
That we've gotta get busy!
I'd like to entrust this trailblazing expedition to March. Dan, the objective is clear. Find the Stellaron responsible for the disaster.
Awesome! We get to work as a team again!
Someone has to stay on the train or Pom-Pom will get lonely. Not to mention, Nanook threw us a glance just now. If we're targeted by the Antimatter Legion, then
So it's still not our turn.
I know you really want to go, but we should give the youngsters a chance to get out there on their own. March, if you two are ready, why not go and find Dan Hung? He's probably already started collating the ecological data and survey results for your Relo 6.